I wish I could attend these events, but it's really beyond it now. I'm just a little too old and feeble, really. I can't get about as much as I used to. And I don't see very well either. So when I have a ruled pad of paper in front of me, I'll put down a few words, maybe a poem or an essay, but I can't write anything on a big scale anymore. Not that I ever wrote anything on a very big scale. So, Rusty runs away no more, and I'm ready for a nice long sleep. But when I get a time, I scribble a few words, and I'm always ready to encourage young people to read and write. If you want to become a writer, you've got to be a reader first. Those who love books, they're the ones who become writers. So, and I always think of myself as a reader first and a writer second. So go to meet my friends. Make your life revolve around the world of books. Have a great festival. Thank you very much.